welcome back on my channel. This video will be a little bit different because I got a very bad flu, but I received this beautiful brand new palette from DIOR, the Glow Vibes collection for this spring, and I wanted to show you. I chosen the shade Blue Beat, and here is the colors. You can see a beautiful green water, a teal, a light blue, it's a pastel light blue, a vibrant pink, and this shade is a very light pink, turning to ivory in my opinion. And now I will swatch it on my hand, and I'm sorry I can't make a look on my face now. I'm not in those conditions to do it. Before to swatch the colors, I wanna let you see that this pattern is a little bit domed. You see, it's very pretty. There is DIOR logo, but it's really domed in a way, and this it should be the lower part of the palette, the center part. So these are the swatches. There is the center shade, this light blue, then the pink, the green water, the teal shade, and this very pale pink turning into ivory. I think it's a very light palette with this color, very spring. I think you have to see it in action definitely on the eyes to judge it, because the shades are gorgeous in my opinion. They are very luminous, and I took it because they are a little bit different from the other shades from DIOR Ion, and I love to make some pastel look for the spring. So this palette is really amazing in my opinion. I took also the new DIOR Glow Blush in the new shade that came out, and I'm waiting for it. So I hope to recover soon from this bad flu and fever also I have now. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!